the students and their teachers.
Nĩ gĩikaro kĩhete kanya ambunge othe 349 kuma mĩahu yothe ya ũteti kũhanda mũrũgamo wao wĩgiĩ rĩendekithia rĩa watho wa kĩgĩna mbere ya speaker wa bunge Moses Wetangula.
For those honorable colleagues who are here for the first time, this is not a rally.
Ndereti iria icũngĩrĩirie mĩrũgamo ngũrani gatagatĩ kao hatarĩ kũrora mĩthingi kana mĩahu ya ũteti gatagatĩ ka ambunge arĩa mararegana na rĩendekithia rĩa watho ũyũ.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Nĩ hamwe na mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Gĩthũngũri kaunti ya Kiambu Gathoni Wamucomba, kuona nowe mũmbunge kuma ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza rũgamĩte kĩng'ang'a-inĩ na kũregana na rĩendekithia rĩa watho ũcio, akiuga nĩ Akenya ũraritũhĩria mũtũrĩre ona makĩria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ.
Mr. Speaker, I have gone to my people in Githongori constituency and they have told me very loudly that the government of Kenya, through the Finance Bill Proposal 2023, it is punitive, it is oppressive, and it is scandalous. I, Gathoni Wamucomba, say no to an oppressive bill.
In this. Stop lying to Kenyans and face reality. Kenyans wamechoka. They are not interested in this house levy. They're asking for one request. Please give us food.
And I just want to warn them that if you do not listen to the ground right now, kitawaramba when the time actually comes.
Maugĩte thirikari ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩambatia thogora wa mũtũrĩre ona makĩria kũrĩ Akenya gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ wona watho ũyũ wahĩtũkio amu igoti rĩa maguta rĩgũkorwo rĩkĩongererwo kuma gĩcunjĩ kĩa 8 harĩ 100 o nginyagia gĩcunjĩ kĩa 16 harĩ 100 makĩongerera thogora wa maguta wambatĩra indo ingĩ ciothe cia mahũthĩro nĩ ikuongerereka thogora.
Make sure that we speak the truth. When you tell us that you want Kenyans to feel pain now, I don't know, they will go to heaven soon or start enjoying themselves. It reminds me of Shakahola, Mr. Speaker. That is what the people of Shakahola told people. They told them, sell all your assets, come to us, starve and suffer in pain, then die and see heaven. Mr. Speaker, we do not want our hustlers to die. We will speak for them.
Mr. Speaker, I do not understand how a government that says that already there's a problem insists on increasing the overall budget from 3.3 trillion, which it was in the previous year, to 3.67 trillion, if you admit there's no money. What is the principle? If you have no money, you cut your coat according to size. So you don't say that you must increase it and therefore you must overtax.
Morotete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza makiuga nĩ mũingĩ makoretwo magĩthakĩra karata hamwe na ciĩranĩro itahingaga, makiuga kwa ihinda rĩrĩ Akenya matirabatara nyũmba, marenda kwamba kũrĩa mahũne na mathondekerwo rĩera rĩega rĩa wonjoria mahote kwĩgwatĩra ing'otore cia kwĩhingĩria mabataro mao.
This bill is going now to the third reading. We have a chance to rectify this bill as a house. Let us not be pushed to a corner. Whether you're in Kenya Kwanza, whether you're in Azimio, let us not be pushed to a corner by the authors of the bill. Let us file ranks, let us come together, let us scrutinize this bill clause by clause and remove the ones that are offensive and oppressive, and we pass the ones which are not oppressive.
This time around, the mood I am seeing out there, and I am very often at home, Mr. Speaker, the mood out there is that this bill is a make or break point. This bill can actually spark a serious revolution in this country.
Gerifotera Inoro TV, jitagwo Jenga Waboi.